Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, and today I'll show you how to reset the device to recovery mode and also remove a screen lock if you have one that, for instance, you don't know the pattern to. So I'm gonna quickly lock the device just so you can see that I do have a pattern set. So there it is, and I'm gonna progress from here as though I don't know it. So hold power key, select power off, wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, you want to then hold power key and volume up. So power, volume up, both of them at the same time. You'll see the Mi logo and then have a vibration, at which point you can let go. And it should be from here in the recovery mode. So in this mode, you want to select wipe data, which as you can see, touchscreen doesn't work, so you have to do it with power key or volume keys. So use volume keys to navigate and power to confirm. So select wipe data, power, wipe all data, so power, and then scroll down to confirm and power once more. And from here simply press power key, I think like 3 more times, so back to main menu, reboot, reboot to system. And this will continue the process in the background, so it will take a little bit longer than it normally does for the device to turn on, but not by much. And once it will turn on, we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.